This is homework number 4, design of a tension member with bolted connection. We have previously solved this type of problem in the previous video, so you can take that as a reference. See, let me just read out the question and give you a brief picture of this question. A tension member of 0.95 meter long is resisting service loads, dead load of 20 and service load 60, and design a regular bar of standard structural steel of grade 4E410. Assume that the member is connected by one line of 16 mm diameter bolts of grade 4.6. So the grade of bolt is 4.6. So see this image here. From this image you can say that when the grade of bolts is 4.6, the ultimate strength of the bolt is 400 Newton per mm square. Remember that. So this is it. So factored load should be calculated because these are the service loads acting on this. So 60 plus 20 is 80 kilonewton, and 1.5 times to multiply just the factor load factor to 120 kilonewton is the total factored load acting on the tension member, tensile force anamata. So you can get the area of this and everything. And remember, he asked you to design a rectangular bar. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఎట్లాంటి సెక్షన్ నువ్వు తీసుకోవాలనేది ముందుగానే నీకు ఇచ్చేసాడు. ఓకే, ఫాలో ది సేమ్ డిజైన్ ప్రొసీజర్. వన్స్ యూ క్యాలిక్యులేటెడ్ ది గ్రాస్ ఏరియా ఏజీ, you have to select a section, right? You have to check the code book to select a proper angle section or I section or something like that, right? So but in this question clearly he mentioned you have to only choose a rectangular section like this. This has to be the tension member. So now you have to assume certain thickness of the plate and you have to find the width of the plate based on the cross area. So you can easily get, right, 528 mm square divided by 10 will give you the length or the width of the plate, right? So width 60 into 10, 600 around, right? So after then check for the strength of the plate. You have to check the strength of the plate, design tensile strength of the plate. The tensile force that is acting is 120 kilonewton. So take care that the strength of the plate is greater than this 120 value. Okay, and as he said that in this question you have to connect bolts, right? You have to use bolts. You have to find out what are the what is the number of bolts that you need for this connection. So you have to find out number of bolts required also, number of bolts. So once you found out what is the number of bolts, how many bolts are there that should be put, you have to decide in what manner they have to be placed. So this is the tension member. He said in the question clearly that assume that the member is connected by one line of 16 mm diameter bolt. 16 mm diameter bolt తీసుకోమంటున్నాడు. అది కూడా ఒకే లైన్లో ఇలా కనెక్ట్ అవ్వాలన్నమాట. 2 అయితే 2, 4 అయితే 4 ఇలాగా. ఓకే, so you have to decide what is the pitch and what is the E. And I have given you the clear picture of calculation of E and P in the next video that I am going to share. So by that time what you can do is, in order to design this E and P, you just need to follow this codal provisions. Let me show you that. This is from clause 10.2. The minimum spacing between the center of the bolt to the center of the adjacent bolt. The distance between center of fasteners shall not be less than 2.5 times of the nominal diameter of the hole. Nominal diameter of the bolt. So for example, if you consider this, there is a bolt here and here. This distance is called as pitch. and this is force F. So this pitch is actually measured along the direction of the force between the center to center of this bolt holes or bolt, right? And this value should not be less than 2.5 times of diameter of bolt. Okay, what is the diameter of the bolt? 16 mm. So 16 mm into 2.5, it is 16 into 2, 32, 32 plus 8, 40. 40 mm kada takkuva P undakunda you have to place these bolts anamata. And what is E is E can be obtained from this clause. Of course, we have maximum limit values also, maximum spacing. At this point, we do not need them. So here, the minimum edge distance or the end distance from the center of the hole to the nearest edge of the plate should be 1.5 times the hole diameter in case of rolled. So generally the sections that we use is rolled sections, so therefore you can just directly take this as 1.5. So what is the edge distance is? So the edge distance is the distance between the center of the hole nearest, I mean edge of this plate, where this is the edge of this plate, right? This is edge of the plate నుంచి దానికి adjacent గా ఉన్న ఫస్ట్ బోల్ట్ యొక్క సెంటర్కి ఏదైతే ఉందో దాన్ని ఈ అంటాం. This has to be greater than, it should be greater than 1.5 times of diameter of the hole, not the diameter of the bolt, diameter of the hole. So that is how you have to calculate here. Okay.